Hey, this is Terry with Automotive Dynamics, and this is our 2016 Hyundai Elantra. And the gorgeous pearl blue there. Exterior is nice and straight. It's your light gray interior. Power windows, power locks. AC blows nice and cold. Automatic. Beautiful car. Come and give it a look.